Life could be a dream. Life could be a dream. Do, 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 so
Make sure you have read the instructions on the back of the pack. Open the package. And you will get the sauce and spaghetti. You can use sausage, cheese, and mayonnaise for the topping. Put a glass of water into the pan. Turn on the stove. Wait until the water boils. Sorry, because the water is lacking, so I add one more glass of water. Put spaghetti in boiling water. Stir and smooth the spaghetti. Stir spaghetti occasionally. When the spaghetti looks soft, turn off the stove and lift the spaghetti over the filter. Drain spaghetti. Put it on a plate. Put a few sausages. Put the sauce on top of spaghetti. Apply the sauce. Add and apply mayonnaise to spaghetti. Grate the cheese on spaghetti. Spaghetti is ready to serve.